Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My topic is Factories Act 1948, Chapter 1, Preliminary. Short title, Extent and Commencement. Section 1. Section 1 is about this section says the name of the law, where it is applied and when it is started. Section 2, Interpretation. It explains the meaning of important terms used in the act so there is no confusion. Third, reference to time of day, how day and night are counted for working hours. Power to declare factories. The government can treat different departments as separate factories or combine them as one. Power to exempt during emergency. In special situation like emergencies, some rules can be relaxed. Approval, licensing and registration. Factories must get permission or license, be officially registered before starting work. In Section 7, notice by occupier. The factory owner must inform authorities before beginning operation. Chapter 2, Inspecting staff. General duties. 7A. 7A, duties of occupier. The owner must ensure safety, health and proper working condition of workers. 7B, duties of manufacturers. Those who supply machines or material must ensure that they are safe to use. Inspector. Section 8, government appoint inspector to check factory condition. Power of inspector. Section 9, inspector can enter factories, examine records and ensure rules are followed. Certifying surgeon. Section 10, medical experts are appointed to check workers' health and fitness. Chapter 3, sorry, mistake in written, so you know about Chapter 3, health. Section 11, cleanliness. Factory must be kept neat and hygienic. Section 12, disposal of waste materials should be properly removed to avoid pollution. Ventilation and temperature. Fresh water and suitable temperature must be maintained. Section 14, dust fume control. Steps should be taken to reduce harmful dust and smoke. Artificial humidification. Humidity levels should be controlled properly when needed. Section 15. Section 16, overcrowding. Too many workers should not be placed in a small area. Section 17, lighting. Proper lighting is necessary for safe worker. Drinking water. Section 18, clean and safe drinking water must be available. Section 19, latrines and urinals. Proper toilet facility must be provided. Sputines areas should be arranged to maintain hygiene. That's all. Please like and subscribe to my channel and follow for next part.